So hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox client not launching or crashing issue. So the solution is very simple. All you have to do is just simply right click on your Roblox launcher over here, then click on properties. Then in the shortcut column, just simply look down where it is said run, then just simply click on the drop box in front of run and choose minimized over here. Then click apply down here. Now after doing this, just simply go to the compatibility tab over here. Now the first thing that you have to do is just simply check this box which says run this program in compatibility mode. Just simply check this box. Then choose the lowest version of the Windows available over here, which is 7. Just simply choose that. Then just simply check this box which says disable full screen optimization. Also check the box which says run the program as administrator. Now after doing all of that, just simply click apply over here. Then after pressing apply, click the icon which says run compatibility troubleshoot. Just simply click that. So wait for a few seconds so it will detect the issue which you are facing. Now just simply click on try recommended settings. Then click on test the program. Now just simply wait for it until your program launches. So as you can see, the program is launching. Now just simply press next and then just simply click on yes, save these settings for this program. And then give it a few seconds to save the settings. And then the issue will be fixed. So just simply close this window and that's all. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.